So, hello everyone. So, today we are going to learn the decorators in Python. So, let's start with the intro. So, let's comment it out. So, decorators in Python are a powerful and expressive features that allows you to modify or enhance functions and methods in a clean and readable way. They provide a way to wrap additional functionality around an existing function and without permanently modifying it as well. This is often referred as the meta programming, and where one part of the program tries to modify another part of a program at a compile time only. Decorators used in Python's high order functionality capability means functions can accept other functions as arguments and return new functions as well. So now let's understand decorators. So a decorator is simply a callable, usually a function, and that takes another function as an argument and returns a replacement function. The replacement function typically extends or alters the behavior of our original function. Let it understand by the example. Let it understand it by the example 1.py. For example, let me take a function def my decorator, and in it I am giving the func another function that is that will I create later, and def wrapper I am just a listed function I am giving to it, and let's print something in it. Something is happening. Let's say before the function call. Okay, and now we are calling our function that we are given here in the argument, and then print again something. It's just I'm trying to something is happening after the function is called. Okay, so these are the two statements, before and after we have write, and then only we are just returning the wrapper. So now how we are going to use the decorators. This is going to be good one. Okay, so we can use the decorators by the @ symbol, and now we are going to write the name of the function my decorator, and then def say hello. Let's we are making a new function and naming it as say hello, and then print hello. That's all. Now let's call the function. Firstly, pause the video and think that what should be the output of this code that we have wrote. Okay, so according to me, the output must be something is happening before the function is called. This statement should print first, then hello, and then something is happened after the function is called. So in this way only, that before, then hello, and then after. Let's run this code. Yeah, before, hello, and after. So that's how the decorators work. So here @my decorator is a syntactic sugar for say hello, as it modifies the behavior of say hello by wrapping it inside the wrapper function, and the wrapper function adds behavior before and after the original function call. So that's how the decorator works. So now let's understand that how to use decorators with the arguments. Okay, let me change the extension of the file. .txt will work for us. So decorators themselves can also accept the arguments. Yeah, this requires another level of nesting, just in the listed way that we have done, and an outer function that takes the decorator's argument and returns the actual decorator function. So let's understand it by one more example so that it will be more clear to you that what does it mean what we are saying right now. So let's make a function repeat and taking the value and so that we can later give it something else value. And now I am making a nested function named as decorator, and just we have to enter the one more function in it and then one more nested function in it named as wrapper and given one argument in it. So now let's for I in range and or for let's take slash in range. Let's call the func a that we give this value in the wrapper as well, and after this let's return the value from the function. Pause the video and write in the comment section that what are you able to understand right now, and just if you have any doubt then just load it into the comment section. I will try to cover it all. So this is the basic thing that we have created. Now we have to use the decorator, that how can we use the decorators with the argument right now. So how to use the decorator, I repeated previously that we have to use the added symbol and then repeat and then 3 is we are taking the value 3 as n value of n. You can take it something else as well, no problem. Now we are creating a different function that is going inside it and then do its work. So let's name the function greet and name, what is name, just comment it below, and let's print a statement in it, hello comma name. Let's do it beautifully. So it is the formatting string and we are using it as a variable. So now we have to call the function, okay, greet, and we are giving the name the first code of every Python developer, mostly of the Python developer. So now let's guess by seeing this code what you are expecting, that what must be the output. Just think about it a bit, and I am just running the code according to it must be hello world. Okay, let's see hello world, and how much time it repeats according to the value that we have given in it right now. Okay, so in this example repeat 3 returns the decorator function. The symbol syntax then applies to that return decorator to greet. The argument in the wrapper function The argument in the wrapper function ensures that the decorator can be used with functions that take any number of positional or keyword arguments. So that's how it works. So now look at the second type of decorators. Uh, how to chain the multiple decorators. It's not a second type, but it's a second use case that how we can use the decorators, chain the multiple decorators. So you can apply the multiple decorators to a single function as well. Decorators are applied from bottom to top or equivalently from the innermost to outermost. So let us understand it by one more example. So for example, let's make a function uppercase, naming it a func. Now we have to mirror wrapper, same process as previous one. Then return the value from the name func and this uppercase. So we want that whatever value we put as an argument, it should come in a uppercase. And then return the wrapper. Just return the wrapper, bro. That's all. Now let's make a one more function named as exclaim. So made a function and just as I told you that it is also a wrapper. I'm just making. So what should I write in it? Plus with an added string in it. It's exclaim, so we can give it exclamation mark. Let's put it 4 casually, man. Return the wrapper. Okay. Now we have two functions we have created with the two wrappers. First is uppercase and second is exclaim. Now let's use it as a decorator in the other function. First is uppercase, second exclaim. Now let's use it in another function. Let's create a function greet. Again, same from the previous one. And it must return just hello. No more expectations. Okay, so now we are going to use this function. So what is your expected output? It must be hello, and in the all should be the uppercase, and there must be the 5 exclamation mark after it. Okay, so now let's run this code. Oh great, so here greet is first decorated by exclaim, and then result of that is decorated by uppercase. What I said, it goes from bottommost to topmost. First it is decorated by exclaim, and then the result of that is decorated by the uppercase. It's equivalent to the greet is equals to uppercase, फिर then उसके अंदर एक और function exclaim, and then उसके अंदर एक और function greet. So that's all the things that decorators are. So let's give a sort of kind of recap to you. So decorators are a key feature in Python that enable the code reusability and cleaner function modifications. That we have seen that we can use the multiple functions and in the nested loop and then just implement it by the another function. So and that's what the decorators do, and they are commonly used for logging, recording when the function is called and its arguments, timing, measuring how long a function takes to execute, for authentication and authorization. It is also used for the caching, rate limiting, input validation, instrumentation, and many. And moreover, the frameworks like Flask and Django use decorators extensively for routing, authentication, and defining middleware. So that's that is decorator for now. Just practice these questions and practice more and more questions. And that is for today, guys. Bye bye.